That's beautiful. It's United
is that a runway?
737. Damn, that was quite nice, guys. So here we're continuing to a better spot.
Bro!
Here, see that Delta?
Yeah, see that Delta?
It's landing. Yeah, my sister's the one making the weird noises. Wait, a plane coming in for landing, guys. It's coming in. It's coming in for landing. Bro, the sun. Is that a Southwest? What is that? Spirit! It's a Spirit! Spirit Airlines! A320! It's landing! Oh my god! There is no way I just saw that! Guys, that's 717 there. Yo, you see that 717 taxiing? Oh yeah, another plane coming in for approach stage. Another coming in. Wait, frick that. Do y'all see that? Oh my, so big and juicy. What am I even saying? Wait, that's an A350. Yo. That's a Delta A350! I just got so much closer to the runway. What is that? Delta! Delta! Guys, I see Spirit taxi. Keeping my eye out for more planes. So that A330 and that A350, absolutely beautiful. Is that the same A330? What is that? Yeah, I could barely see that. You see that Alaska? Yeah, I see a takeoff. That same A330 is taking off. But yeah, that's A330 taking off. I think it's taking off, is it? Actually cool.
Delta takeoff no? Delta.
I think it's taking off, yeah.
Yeah, let's see until it
Oh, wait a minute. I think it's taxiing.
Yeah.
Probably taxiing.
Just
Oh, it's going. It's taking off. I think it is. Is that a 777? No, I think Delta retired their 777s. Wait, the Alaska's taking off! Alaska taking off. Holy. Nah, this is the takeoff. Wait, hold on. It's too much for me to handle. Bro, that was the worst. Hopefully we see this Delta take off. Another one. What is that? A320. Alright, there it is. It's landing.